He had money, success, and every luxury. But he slowly forgot the one who gave him everything. He forgot the one who blessed him. "I'll pray later" became a habit. Every prayer became later. Then everything began to disappear.
Money couldn't save his family.
Money couldn't save his family or his heart. When the world abandoned him, one door was still open. For the first time in years, he didn't recover because of money. He recovered because of faith. Because the one who gives everything is the one who can truly restore everything.